All right, here's like a perfect example, right, of what I'm saying to wait for. So let's just look at the weekly, right? And we know that weekly is for buys because monthly is for sells. So what do we have? We have weekly level here and here, right? And now we're in the weekly level. So what can we do? We can drop down to H4, but I don't want to take a trade from H4. So I want to take a trade from M30, right? Because M30 is in our weekly sell here, M30 with roadblock of H1 set up in M15, right? So first we got to dissect where our roadblock is, H1. Okay, roadblock here. M30, setup, breakout, pullback, entry. Okay, now let's say you wanted to use the M5, for example. Okay, so we have that marked out, right? And then we break out of M5, right? So if we're breaking out of M5, we need to understand where our M15 is. Where's our M15? It's right here. Okay, so from M5, oops, from this M5 low, as it pulls back into the M5 low, right here, or the QM, whatever one you took, you enter up to here because you don't know if this QM is going to respect, right? Now we got to wait for the M15 to close. M15 has 10 minutes left. Okay, we don't know if this, so we don't know if this is going to hold the price or if it's just going to create a huge ass wick and just come back down and take everything out, right? This is why it's logical from M5 to TP at your M15, unless this is closing. If this closes here, then we can hold because now we've broken M15 from M5, right? So we can target M30 level. Okay. So where's our M30? Well, we already passed M30 right here. Okay, so now we just wait for this candle to close on M30. M30 breaking this should go to H1. Super simple, guys, like so simple. Okay. You can see like how easy that is, right? So it's super, super simple. So if we want to stack another position, we can identify maybe some confluences. Okay, where would a buy take place? Somewhere in here, here, or here, or here, right? We just need to find a confluence measure, which I don't really see one. Maybe here. Like that. Okay. Something like that. Remember, this needs to close. This needs to close on the M15 at least, above that. Okay, so we need to close above this in order to take that trade.